The secret system that controls air traffic around the world every day. More than 100,000 airplanes move through the sky above us. They cross oceans, continents, borders, and invisible lines, often separated by only a few miles. Because from inside the cabin, it feels simple, the plane takes off. It flies. It lands. But that simplicity hides something much stranger. Because the truth is, global air traffic is not controlled by any single country, any single organization, or even any single machine. It is managed by a hidden network so vast, so precise, and so fragile that if even one part fails, entire regions of the world can fall into chaos. What makes this even more unsettling is that this system was never truly designed all at once. There is no central master plan. No single command room watching every aircraft on Earth. And yet somehow, every day, thousands of pilots trust their lives and ours to this invisible architecture. A secret system built from fragments. Human voices. Radar pulses. Satellites. Algorithms. Decisions made in seconds. It should not work as smoothly as it does. And yet, somehow, it does. The common explanation seems straightforward. Air traffic is guided by air traffic controllers. It sounds almost comforting. A human voice directing order in the sky. Professionals sitting in towers and control centers, tracking aircraft positions and giving pilots instructions. But that explanation only tells part of the story, because no single controller sees the entire picture. Each one controls only a small piece of airspace before handing responsibility to another. Somewhere in that chain, trust becomes the system's most important currency. And yet, trust alone cannot explain how aircraft continue moving safely over remote oceans, where radar cannot reach. It cannot explain how planes avoid each other in skies too vast for human eyes to monitor. This is where the mystery deepens. Because beyond the familiar radar screens lies another layer, one built not on what we can see, but on signals traveling silently through space. Satellites now track aircraft through systems like ADS-B, where planes continuously broadcast their own position. Every few seconds, they announce where they are, how fast they are moving, and where they are heading. It sounds elegant. Almost perfect. But scientists and aviation experts know something unsettling. These signals can be interrupted, spoofed, even manipulated. That possibility has created competing theories about what truly keeps global aviation stable. Some believe the answer lies in automation, that modern software quietly makes thousands of corrections humans could never process in time. Others argue that the real system is still deeply human, dependent on controller instincts built over decades. And some experts point toward an even more fragile truth. That global aviation survives because every participant follows unwritten patterns of cooperation. A social contract invisible to passengers but essential to survival. Each theory explains part of the puzzle. None explains everything. Then came discoveries that changed how researchers viewed the system entirely. Universities studying aviation networks began modeling global air traffic as a living organism. Not a machine, but something closer to a biological system. They found patterns resembling neural pathways, adaptive responses similar to immune systems, and decision chains behaving almost like collective intelligence. The system was not simply controlling aircraft. It was learning from itself, but this created an unexpected contradiction. If the network behaves like a living system, then it may also carry the weaknesses of one. Vulnerability, fatigue, cascading failure. A storm in one city can delay flights across continents. A software outage in one region can ripple globally within hours. In 2023, a single technical failure grounded thousands of flights, exposing just how interconnected and delicate the entire structure truly is. Imagine standing inside an airport terminal, watching departure boards suddenly freeze. No movement. No answers. Just silence and uncertainty. Most travelers would assume the plane stopped because something physical went wrong, but often, the aircraft are ready. The pilots are ready. The skies are clear. What has failed is something invisible, the hidden conversation that keeps the world moving. And perhaps that is the deeper mechanism behind the mystery. Air traffic control is not really about controlling planes, it is about controlling uncertainty. It is a global agreement between humans and machines to trust information they cannot directly verify, to act on signals they cannot see, and to coordinate across borders that disappear once an aircraft leaves the ground. The remarkable truth is not that this system exists, it is that we rarely notice it. Every safe landing feels ordinary. Every quiet flight feels routine, but above us, every second, an invisible choreography unfolds, fragile, adaptive, and profoundly human. A reminder that some of the most important systems in our lives are the ones we never see until they stop working.